Hydraulic tools are incredibly powerful and effective for many industrial jobs, but that power comes with real risks if safety procedures aren't followed. Let's take a look at what those risks are. First up, ignoring pressure ratings. Overloading tools beyond their rated pressure can cause catastrophic failures. Always check the specifications before use. Next, using damaged hoses and fittings. Cracks, leaks, or wear might seem minor, but they can lead to unexpected failures. Inspect your equipment regularly and replace any damaged parts. Improper coupling connections are another big one. Loose or mismatched fittings can lead to pressure loss and accidents. Make sure connections are secure and compatible. Using the wrong tool for the job is another common mistake. Always choose the right tool with enough pressure and load capacity to ensure safety and efficiency. Inadequate training is another critical issue. Ensure tool operators are fully prepared with the knowledge and skills to follow the correct procedures. Also, if you're not wearing personal protective equipment, this can lead to severe injuries. And direct body contact with moving parts is extremely hazardous. Always maintain a safe distance, especially if you have the option to use a pendant controller. Finally, failing to depressurize the system after the job can be extremely dangerous. Always use a pressure gauge so you know when it's safe to disconnect. This video is just a quick overview. Always follow your company's safety procedures and consult the tool manufacturer's manual to help keep everyone safe. Respect the tools, follow the protocols, and stay safe. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.